Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do free shipping on Mercari. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to sell on Mercari and you want to go ahead and offer free shipping. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Mercari. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Selling. Now go ahead and edit the listing which you want to go ahead and offer free shipping for. So we're going to click on this Pokemon collection boxes and then scroll down. And then where it says Offer Buyers Free Shipping, click on Yes. Afterwards, click on Update. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do free shipping on Mercari. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.